Hello, I want to explain this pant to you. This is a pant. Okay, this is how it looks. It's a perfect size small medium pants. That means it can fit a size small. It can also fit a medium size, and it can fit some large size that are comfortable with smaller pants. Okay, but it's not like it's a perfect size large. So if you want a perfect size large, it's the same process. It's just that you have to add more rows. Let's say you add like 4 more rows for the back and 4 more rows for the front, and so on. If you want extra large, you add more rows for the back and more rows for the front, but I'm not sure how many more rows you have to add for extra large and extra large. That's 3x or 2x. I'm not sure of how many you have to add. So now you have to, this is a total of 21 inches from top to down. Yeah, 21 inches. And I use pin 4.25 to make this pant, or 3.75 millimeters. And total rows for this pant is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 37. So the total row for this pant is 37 rows. The total length for this pant is 21 inches. This is where I started. I started from the bottom chain here, and I crocheted all the way up to, I started with the front. I crocheted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, then I started increasing on 7. I started increasing on 6, and I increased just on this part and on this part. That means I put 2 at the end and 2 at the end here, while I did normal double crochet here. So my bottom chain was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So my bottom chain was 12, and you can see this is a chain stitch. This is 3 chain stitch. So after I made 12 chains, I went to the 4th one and I crocheted, making the first 3 chains, which you have skipped as your first double crochet stitch. That's why I did not count the chain. So let's say 3 chains, 4 chains, 5 chains, 6 chains, 7 chains, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 chains. That is 12 chains for the bottom chain. So you make your first, after making your bottom chain, you make your double crochet stitch on the bottom chain. Then you make, that's row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on row 6 you start increasing, and you continue increasing till you get the size that you want. For this is a small and medium size pants. And when you're done with your front side, you still do the same thing for the back side, but you're no longer making bottom chain. You're just crocheting on the chains that you've made, or on the stitches that you've made. Then you start increasing immediately when you're doing the back pants, because you want the front to be smaller than the back. So once you add for your back pants, you just start increasing immediately. You're not going, you don't need this place for the back, so you just start increasing immediately for the back. So you can use this pattern to make any size that you want. All you have to do is add more stitches, keep going longer. If you want to do an extra large, let's say a 3x, I think you have to make 20 chains, and then you make another 6 or 7 before you start increasing. 2, 2, 2 by the side, sorry, 1, 1, 1 by the side. That means putting 2. You can see what I did here. I put 2 here, then I continued, then here when I turn, I put 1, making it 2 stitch. Remember, when you turn, your 3 stitch is your first double crochet stitch, and then your 1 stitch right here. So for the extra 3x large, you have to make 20 chains, and then you go back to the 17th one, and then you start crocheting, and you do the same pattern, skipping, doing 6, then start increasing. Then for the back, you just start increasing immediately. You start doing the back. Then for the length, you can do any length you want. There's no rule for the length. This one I did 18 inches. This is 19 inches, the rope length. You can do 20, you can do 15, as long as it can tie the person. There's no this thing for the length of the pants. Then what you also have to consider, some people say, okay, I should do like the length of this. So for the front, it's a total of 9 inches. Is this upside down? So for the front is a total of 9 inches, and the back is a total of the back is a total of 12. Yeah, the back is a total of 12 inches, and up to down you can divide that. I think somebody said I should do this for them. Then from the front, from the down to the up, is a total of 11 inches. I guess this one is supposed to be 11 or 10 inches. So this one is 10 inches since it's 21 inches. This one, the front is 10 inches, the back is 11 inches. You can see this 3 inches. You can make 4 inches for a 3x large person. So that's it. That's all you need to know. Thank you so much for watching. I hope we get to do more of this in the future. Bye.